payrolls are coming out and could affect the equity market. These things must be considered and must be followed when you're building your trading plan. It's all part of your research and homework. Your workspace we're referring to here is basically your environment where you're sitting when you make a decision or you're trading. Now again, you're all going to differ, and I'm not going to go into hygiene issues or anything like that, but basically you need to be clear of distractions. Things will happen in the market during the trading day or a trading period that you will need to be concentrating on, and if there's distractions, it may be a television, it could be anything. If they're annoying you or if there's something there that is making you distracted and not concentrating on the task at hand, then you need to be able to deal with them. Log into your GetTrader platform before you start. Don't wait till the last minute. Make sure everything's okay, that you've got everything you need. It may be that you leave it logged on, and that's totally your call, but make sure everything's set up. If you're looking to trade the equity market on the open, or CFDs or futures on the open of the morning, make sure you log in a few minutes beforehand just to make sure your pages are set up. It may be that you forgot to save something the night before that you were researching, you want to review it. All of a sudden you get behind the curve, and it can be obviously a distraction. Get prepared. For the technical traders and for other traders in general, you may want to identify support and resistance levels on a chart, and it may be a weekly chart, it may be a daily chart, it may be a 1 minute chart. I don't know, but whatever you're looking at, you need to identify your support and resistance levels. This is especially true for the day traders in either market or any market, whether it be future CFDs or currencies. Identify the support and resistance levels and know what you're going to do when they get there. Again, as part of preparing yourself for the day, get a list of important news and data due out during the day or over a 24-hour period, or a period in which you're looking to actually place trades and have risk on board. You can do this by setting up a page on your GetTrader where all the economic releases are there under your economic calendar. It may be that you keep your news up to just see that if there's any scrolling news or announcements, and typically at the moment there are quite a few. Some of them will be non-market specific, but a lot of them will be. Something that you might want to consider having as part of your GetTrader workspace. Knowing your exit conditions is a problem that a lot of our clients seem to have. They have no problem placing their entry positions, however they do have a problem seemingly to know where they're going to exit their positions. This is especially relevant over the last few months when markets, well, not so much the last few months, but when the equity markets were falling. Panic seemed to be the most common theme. Simply because there wasn't any predetermined area or level by a lot of our clients, and I'm sure it wasn't just our clients, where they were to take the exit position. Again, it's generally a loss situation, or probably, well, definitely where they've given back a fair bit of capital simply on the basis that there was nothing planned, not expected. If it was expected, they wouldn't have been in position. So know where you're going to exit to limit your losses. But similarly, you need to know where you're going to exit to limit with your profits, to take your profits. You're never going to go broke taking a profit. You may have an opportunity cost or an opportunity loss, but ultimately, if a lot of these clients and a lot of people in general have had these profit targets in place, and obviously their exit for losses in place as well, then there probably wouldn't have been as much duress going around the market at the moment. Write them down. Don't make a mental note of exit prices. You've got to set them and stick to them. You can do it on the GetTrader by the if done facility, both from a stop loss and take profit. It may